Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're in Albufeira, the marina. It's Thursday 23rd of January, about 18 degrees, and I thought I'd come check it out and see what's open. So come and join me guys. I'll drop down the steps to the marina. I haven't got a clue what it's going to be like, what will be open. But it is a pleasant day though. I've just had to take my hoodie off, I was that hot. Most of the boat tours over there are closed, I think there's just one open. You got the kids play area with the bowling. That's open, but not much people in there. I do love all the apartments in there with the multicoloured. Look pretty spectacular. Got a beautiful view of the marina. And this is where you board the boat when you go on the trips. It's like Benagil. Sunset cruise. Let's take a walk guys. With the diving centres open. The Italian San Martino, that's open. Happy hour, €2 for a pint. Small beer €1, cocktail €5. That's quite reasonable. Il Barrio cocktail bar and Tapas is open. You okay, my friend? Yeah, I'm good, mate. Yeah, just let me check your prices out, yeah?
Yes.
Happy hour $4.90 for the cocktails, happy hour.
$1.94 pint.
What?
There you go. Everyone comes to Albufeira. Come on.
What time is happy hour though?
Till 6 o'clock, sir.
Okay, nice one. Yep. There's quite a few people in here, guys. So the food must be good. Not eating myself in there. Tasca Portuguese is open and plenty of people in it. You okay? I've spoke to this guy before. He's gone through the menu for us before.
Tasca Portuguesa.
Yes, talking about Portuguese. You do the cataplanas, don't you?
Yes, sir. That is the cataplana.
Yep.
It's traditional and temporal. That is the temporal.
Yeah, that's excellent. That.
2%. This is fish and seafood packet.
Okay, nice one, mate. Yeah. So not bad prices, those guys. 47 for cataplana. I have had cheaper, but on the marina it's not bad. You got the Irish pub jacks here. A few people chilling out there. Some life down here. Well, the hot shot bowling is open. Pool tables. The Dodgem cars for the kids, that's closed at the moment. Wine and sushi's open. Quite a few people in there actually. I want to check out and see if my favourite bar is open. Oh, is that the famous dog? I think it is. Someone wants to put the name of it in the comments below. But the Italian place is closed. And our favourite, Fat Cats. Really great bar. Food superb in there. The portions are ginormous and the prices are really good. I think on a Friday they have live entertainment on there. I think that reopens February. I think the one in the new town is still open. The gymnasium's open. And then if you can get a look at, you got rowboat houses here as well, which I wouldn't mind spending a night on one time. Got really nice, the cleaners in, so someone's been using them. Very nice. I'm going to take a walk around the other side of the marina, see if I can find this restaurant that the Sam from Bar 54 in the Old Town recommended to go to. So while I'm up this way, I'm going to check it out. So there's a lovely shot of the marina. I need to go over this way. Not too sure if I can walk below or I've got to go onto the top to try and find this restaurant. We'll soon find out. So apparently you can walk from the marina to the Old Town or vice versa, the Old Town to the marina. I haven't done it yet, but when the weather gets a little bit better, I'll do a walking tour of that one. Hopefully this restaurant's not too far away. Never been down this end. I would imagine this is like the old marina, where all the traditional fishermen start the day. I'm not too sure if this is the place. Port of the Fish of Albufeira. I can hear pots and pans clinking away. WC. Ah, that's it, Porta De Abrigo. Snack bar restaurant. Supposed to be really nice. Let's check it out. Arroz de lingueiro, €40. Cataplana, €42. Tuna, €18. Let's see if we can see if anyone's in it and what the view is like from there. There's quite a few people in it actually. Beautiful view. How nice is that, guys? This looks like a place well worth trying. Hit that notification, guys. Hit that bell so you can check out when I'm going to upload our next videos. That's definitely on the to-do list. I'll leave you with the view of the old marina. And just before I go, guys, I want to give a big shout out to Sarah and her husband Mark that bought Sue and I a sangria. So thank you very much, guys. I would like to say that any contributions goes directly back into our channel to help us make more content for you guys. So hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, hit the like button. If you'd like to see more of our videos, smash that subscribe button, guys. Hope to see you in the next one. Ciao for now.